Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 and let me share with you how to use the secret codes on this device. So first of all, we have to open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the shortest code and in my personal opinion, the most interesting one. So the code is *O**#. And as you can see, we just entered the testing menu. So here you can check the components of your device. You can check the screen, the receiver, vibration, sensor, touch, loopback, version, and so on. So as you can see, a lot of options, components. I'll show you how to do it using, for example, this option. As you can see, after tapping on it, the red color has been displayed all across the screen. And if you can see it everywhere without any kind of black or white spots, then it means that your device works perfectly fine. So everything is okay with the screen. Of course, the same situation with the green and the blue option. You should have the same results. Let me show you maybe touch, for example. As you can see here, we've got displayed those kind of rectangles and we have to draw the line across them. And if this, let's say, area of the screen works, then your device will display the green color. As you can see, I've missed one of the rectangles and it is still white. So let me do it also across the screen. Basically, you can check if those areas are working in your device. So that's a good test. So basically, this is how it works. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this code after checking, of course, all of them, which I will mention in the video, and simply have fun with your device, because not only you will have fun, but also you will check the components of it and you will check if it works properly. So let me go back, and as you can see, you have to kind of double back to get back finally. And let me show you another code, which is probably the most known. It is also short, and it is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both the main numbers, which are right here, because of course we've got two different SIM slots, and the serial number of this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the USB settings. And the code is *0808#. And as you can see, we are in the USB settings, so here you can check kind of a mode of the USB. So this code provides you with kind of technical options. So all you have to do is to simply pick the option and tap on OK in order to confirm, of course. Let me show you another code which will open the firmware version of this device. You will be able to check some details, and the code for it is very simple. I promise you will remember it. It is *1234#. And as I said, here we've got the version, so we can check the AP, CP, or the model of this device. Let's go back and let me show you advanced firmware version, and the code for it is *2663#. And here we've got kind of extended firmware version. You can check the developer-only information. You can refresh the Wi-Fi version, the Bluetooth version. I mean, you can check some technical details about that. So let me show you the last code, which will open the service mode, and the code for it is *0011#. And as you can see, we've got the service mode, the basic information, which is now ready, but you can basically tap on it and learn more, again, technical info. So basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Samsung Galaxy S23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.